Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up your email search list. Okay, what I'm trying to say is when somebody is trying to search you, making use of your email account to search you on Facebook, they will be able to find you. And for some reason, if you want to make these settings to disable this particular feature, you can do that by following this video. So now all you need to do is to go ahead and scroll down on your Facebook, click on it, and then on the top right hand corner of the menu, click on it also, and then scroll down to the settings and privacy and go ahead and click on the settings, and then move down to privacy settings, and then scroll down even more to the bottom. So now you can notice where it says you can look it says you can look up using email addresses you provided. Now, if somebody is looking you up with an email address, probably you sent your email to somebody to look you up on Facebook and the person says he couldn't find you. The reason might be because you disabled this feature for some reason. So let me go ahead and click on the email addresses provided. Now you can see that it has option for you to select friends of friends or friends or only me. Now if you choose any of these, it's going to act up on that. If you choose the friends of friends, that means only the people that are your friends of friends that get to see it. Meaning, if I'm a friend of you, only my friend can add you, or only your friend can add me. If someone is not within our range of friendship, they won't be able to add us. They won't be able to add your friend. They won't be able to search your email address as and find you. So if I select this option also, only my friends will be able to search me using the email address I provided. Now if this it's now only me, that means no one will be able to search me, which means if you are trying to look for a way to disable this feature, just go ahead and select on only me. And if you are watching this video and you feel like you gave somebody your email and he searched you on Facebook, couldn't find you, that means you actually enabled this feature to only you. So now go ahead and click on everyone if you are trying to enable this feature back. But if not, for this tutorial I'm going to disable this particular feature so that nobody can search me using my email address. So let me go ahead and back out, and that's nothing much for this video. I thank you guys for watching and I really appreciate. So please do not forget to subscribe. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button below and then like and share the video with your friends if you liked it. And if not, I think even though you don't like the video, someone might be interested in it. Just make sure you share it with your friends. All right guys, see you guys soon.